On AU Techverse, we're uncovering 20 of the coolest new DeWalt tools on Amazon that are pushing job site power, speed, and innovation to the next level. These aren't gimmicks. Every tool you'll see today is built for real work, and all official Amazon links are available right now in the description. If you're ready to upgrade your toolkit with DeWalt gear people are buying today, don't skip this. This list moves fast. DeWalt Impact Driver. Every fast-paced job site needs a tool that keeps up, and the DeWalt Impact Driver is built exactly for that role. In real-world use, it's trusted for driving long screws, lag bolts, and fasteners into wood or metal without stripping heads or stalling. The impact mechanism delivers high torque while reducing wrist strain, which matters during long installation days. Its compact size makes it easy to work in tight spaces like cabinets or framing corners. Reliable power and control mean fewer mistakes and faster progress. If you want a tool that turns tough fastening jobs into smooth, confident work, this impact driver earns its spot instantly. DeWalt GRABO Lifter. Handling large, smooth materials alone is one of the most risky parts of job site work, and the DeWalt GRABO Lifter is designed to change that. In real-world use, it creates powerful vacuum suction to securely lift materials like tile, glass, metal sheets, stone slabs, and finished panels. This makes positioning and installation far safer and more controlled, especially when working solo. The ergonomic handle improves grip and balance during placement. By reducing strain and improving accuracy, it speeds up installs without extra manpower. If you regularly move heavy, flat materials, this lifter delivers confidence, safety, and serious job site efficiency. DeWalt Concrete Nailer. Fastening into concrete is usually slow, loud, and exhausting, but a concrete nailer changes that completely. The DeWalt Concrete Nailer is designed to drive fasteners directly into concrete and steel without pre-drilling. In real job site use, it's relied on for securing tracks, plates, and fixtures during framing and renovation work. This dramatically reduces setup time and physical effort compared to traditional methods. The controlled firing action improves accuracy while keeping work moving. If you work on sites where concrete fastening is a daily task, this tool turns a time-consuming process into a quick, confident operation. DeWalt Combination Hammer. Some jobs demand more than a standard hammer, and that's where a combination hammer proves its value. The DeWalt Combination Hammer is designed to handle striking, demolition, and light prying tasks with one balanced tool. In real job site use, it's trusted for driving fasteners, adjusting forms, knocking materials into alignment, and breaking loose, stubborn components without switching tools. The solid construction helps absorb shock, reducing hand fatigue during repeated strikes. Its versatile design makes it practical for carpenters, concrete crews, and general contractors alike. If you want one hammer that adapts to multiple tough tasks without slowing you down, this tool delivers reliable, everyday performance. DeWalt Pipe Deburring Tool. Rough pipe edges can cause leaks, poor fits, and unnecessary rework, especially when speed matters on site. The DeWalt Pipe Deburring Tool is designed to clean and smooth pipe ends quickly after cutting. In real job site use, it's commonly used on plastic and metal piping before fittings or swaging, helping connections seat properly the first time. The controlled cutting action removes sharp edges without damaging the pipe. Its compact form makes it easy to use in tight spaces and overhead runs. If you want faster installs with cleaner, more reliable connections, this tool quietly improves quality at every step. DeWalt Concrete Power Screed Kit. Achieving a flat, professional concrete surface is all about consistency, and this screed kit is built to deliver exactly that. The DeWalt Concrete Power Screed Kit is designed to level freshly poured concrete evenly across slabs with far less effort than manual screeding. In real job site use, it helps crews strike off concrete faster while maintaining uniform height and smoothness, even on larger pours. The powered vibration helps the concrete settle properly, reducing low spots and surface defects. Setup is straightforward, and control stays steady throughout the pass. If you want cleaner finishes with less physical strain and better consistency, this Screed kit delivers real concrete performance you can trust. DeWalt Wet Center Core Drill Bit Set. Drilling clean, accurate holes in concrete or masonry is nearly impossible without the right bit, and this set is built for that exact challenge. The DeWalt Wet Center Core Drill Bit Set is designed to cut precise circular holes while using water to control heat and dust. In real job site use, it's ideal for plumbing, electrical, and HVAC penetrations, where accuracy and clean edges matter. Wet drilling extends bit life and improves cut quality, especially in reinforced concrete. The result is smoother holes with less chipping and stress on the tool. If you need professional-grade core drilling with better control and durability, this set delivers dependable performance. DeWalt Core Drill Bit Holder Kit. Core drilling only works smoothly when the bit stays perfectly aligned, and this holder kit is designed to make that happen. The DeWalt Core Drill Bit Holder Kit is built to secure core bits firmly during drilling, reducing wobble and vibration that can damage both the bit and the material. In real job site use, it helps maintain straight, controlled cuts when drilling through concrete, masonry, or block for plumbing and electrical runs. Better stability also improves hole accuracy and extends bit life. If you want cleaner cores, safer operation, and more predictable results during drilling, this holder kit delivers the control professionals rely on. DeWalt Aviation Snips. Cutting sheet metal cleanly without bending or tearing the material takes the right-hand tool. DeWalt Aviation Snips are designed to deliver controlled, precise cuts through metal ducting, flashing, and thin steel sheets. In real job site use, they're essential for HVAC work, metal framing, and trim tasks where accuracy matters more than speed. The hardened cutting edges help maintain clean cuts over repeated use, while the ergonomic handles improve control during longer cutting sessions. Reliable snips reduce rework and improve fit during installation. If you want clean, predictable metal cuts without fighting the material, these snips deliver dependable job site performance. DeWalt Plastic Tubing Cutter. Clean tubing cuts are critical for leak-free connections, and this tool is built to make that step effortless. The DeWalt Plastic Tubing Cutter is designed to deliver straight, burr-free cuts on common plastic tubing used in plumbing, irrigation, and mechanical installs. In real job site use, it replaces slow hand sawing with fast, controlled cutting that keeps tubing from deforming. The compact design makes it easy to use in tight cabinets or overhead runs, while the smooth cutting action reduces hand fatigue during repetitive work. If you want faster installs with cleaner results and fewer callbacks, this cutter quietly upgrades everyday pipework. DeWalt Concrete Vibrator. Proper concrete consolidation is what separates strong pours from weak ones, and this tool is built for that exact moment. The DeWalt POWERSHIFT Concrete Vibrator is designed to remove trapped air and help concrete settle evenly inside forms. In real job site use, it improves strength, surface finish, and bond around rebar during slabs, footings, and walls. The Cordless POWERSHIFT platform eliminates gas fumes and cord management, making it practical for indoor or confined pours. Balanced handling reduces operator fatigue during long sessions. If you want consistent professional concrete results with modern cordless convenience, this vibrator delivers reliable performance where it matters most. DeWalt Pro Adhesive Anchors. When mechanical anchors aren't practical or strong enough, adhesive anchoring becomes the smart solution. DeWalt Pro Adhesive Anchors are designed to create high-strength bonds in concrete and masonry using engineered epoxy or adhesive formulas. In real job site use, they're commonly used for setting threaded rods, rebar, and anchors in structural repairs or retrofits. The adhesive fills voids and grips the surrounding material evenly, which improves load distribution. Proper curing delivers reliable holding power without expansion stress. If you need dependable anchoring in challenging conditions or tight spaces, these anchors provide strength and confidence professionals trust. DeWalt XR Nailer. stapler. Fastening trim, panels, and light framing without hoses or compressors completely changes workflow on site. The DeWalt XR nailer and stapler is designed to deliver consistent drive depth with cordless freedom, making it ideal for finished carpentry and installation work. In real job site use, it's trusted for baseboards, window trim, cabinet backs, and panel fastening where speed and clean results matter. The cordless design eliminates setup time and keeps movement fluid between rooms. Reliable firing reduces misfires and rework. If you want professional fastening with less hassle and faster progress, this nailer brings efficiency you'll notice immediately. DeWalt Critical Connection Undercut Anchors. When structural connections must hold without compromise, undercut anchoring becomes the go-to solution. DeWalt Critical Connection Undercut Anchors are designed to mechanically lock into concrete by creating an undercut profile inside the hole, rather than relying on expansion pressure. In real job site use, they're commonly used in seismic zones, overhead installs, and critical load applications where reliability is non-negotiable. This design reduces stress on the concrete and delivers predictable holding performance. Installation is precise and repeatable when done correctly. If your work involves safety-critical fastening where failure is not an option, these anchors provide the confidence professionals demand. DeWalt Cold Water Pressure Washer. Job site cleanup and surface prep get overlooked until they slow everything down. The DeWalt Cold Water Pressure Washer is designed to handle dirt, mud, concrete residue, and general site grime without complicated setup. In real-world use, it's relied on for cleaning tools, driveways, equipment, siding, and work areas before finishing or sealing. The high-pressure output removes buildup quickly, saving time compared to manual scrubbing. Its portable design makes it practical to move around large sites or properties. If you want faster cleanup, better surface prep, and a more professional finish on every job, this pressure washer delivers practical power you'll use constantly. DeWalt 9 Cut-Off Saw. When the material is thick and precision still matters, a full-size cut-off saw becomes essential. The DeWalt 9-inch cut-off saw is designed for straight, controlled cuts through metal, concrete, and masonry where smaller tools fall short. In real job site use, it's trusted for cutting rebar, steel pipe, angle iron, and masonry units with consistent depth and stability. The larger blade provides better reach and cleaner cuts on heavy stock. Built for tough environments, it handles demanding tasks without hesitation. If your work regularly involves heavy materials that need clean, confident cuts, this saw delivers power and control you can rely on. DeWalt Air Compressor Kit. A reliable air source keeps multiple trades moving, and this kit is built to be that backbone on site. The DeWalt Air Compressor Kit is designed to deliver consistent air pressure for nailers, staplers, and light pneumatic tools without constant recovery delays. In real job site use, it's ideal for trim work, framing touch-ups, and punch list tasks where setup speed matters. The portable design makes it easy to move room to room, while steady output keeps fasteners driving cleanly. If you still rely on air tools and want dependable performance with easy transport, this compressor kit delivers practical, everyday reliability. DeWalt Handheld Blower. Job site cleanup usually steals time at the worst moments, and this tool is built to speed that up instantly. The DeWalt Handheld Blower is designed to clear dust, sawdust, leaves, and debris from work areas, walkways, and equipment without dragging out brooms or cords. In real job site use, it's perfect for quick end-of-day cleanup, clearing cutting lines, or blowing debris off tools before transport. The lightweight, cordless design makes it easy to grab and use one-handed. If you want faster cleanup in a safer, clearer workspace with minimal effort, this blower quietly becomes a daily go-to tool. DeWalt Area Light. Good lighting changes how accurately and safely work gets done, especially in unfinished or low-light spaces. The DeWalt Area Light is designed to flood large work zones with bright, even illumination so details don't get missed. In real job site use, it's ideal for basements, garages, night work, or interior installs where overhead lighting isn't available yet. The portable design makes it easy to reposition as work moves, keeping shadows to a minimum. Reliable lighting also reduces eye strain during long tasks. If you want clearer visibility and better results in every condition, this area light delivers practical job site clarity. DeWalt Insulator Protective Eyewear. Eye protection only works when people actually keep it on, and this eyewear is designed with comfort in mind. DeWalt Insulator Protective Eyewear is built to shield eyes from dust, debris, and impact while staying lightweight and easy to wear all day. In real job site use, it's ideal for cutting, drilling, grinding, and general work where flying particles are a constant risk. The wraparound design improves coverage without blocking peripheral vision, which helps maintain awareness on busy sites. Comfortable fit reduces the urge to remove it between tasks. If you want reliable eye protection that doesn't get in the way of real work, this eyewear delivers everyday safety you'll actually use. If this list helped you discover DeWalt tools you genuinely buy today, hit like so more professionals can find it. Drop a comment and tell us which tool impressed you most, or which one you'd add to your kit first. And for honest, practical breakdowns of tools that actually earn their place on the job site, subscribe to AU TechVerse, because smart tools make tough work easier.